All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about how astrologer can able to help you to design the life path for an individual. So let me tell you, astrology is such a broad subject wherein which a lot of people misunderstand that astrologer can able to predict completely and he can able to provide the life purpose for an individual. Yeah, what I can say is the statement is partially right. Why? Because astrology is based upon the predictions. It is based upon the planetary alignment in your birth chart, and he can able to tell you what exactly your sun is talking about, what exactly your Venus is talking about, what exactly your Saturn is talking about. But unless until it's all about the maturity of an individual to understand the prediction of an astrology, and then he relating it to the life path of an life path to reach your destiny. All right. So most importantly, see, we have 7.6 billions populations in our country, India, and there are a lot of people. At every second, a person is born, right? The person is giving a birth. So during this point of time, do you think that all the for all the billions of people, the prediction remains the same? Absolutely no. It depends upon your individual birth chart. That's why we ask for your individual birth chart like date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth to predict your events in your life depending upon the planetary alignment in your birth chart. Depending upon the planetary alignment in your birth chart, then the prediction will be given to you across, right? And accuracy depends upon you. Accuracy depends upon the individual details that you provided to the astrologer. Some astrologers will be able to check in a very deeper perspective in terms of getting deeper insight in terms of nakshatras. He will be able to tell you which zodiac sign the planets are located, which nakshatra the planets are located, and what is the strength of the planets in the Navamsha chart, what is the strength of planets in the D10 chart. All these things will be thoroughly analyzed, and then he will be coming to a conclusion that what exactly the planets are talking about. Let me give you a little bit of analysis on the planets. The planet sun represents soul. Okay, the planet sun represents soul, moon represents thoughts and mindset, and whereas Mars represents your strong willpower to achieve your goals, and Mercury represents intelligence, whereas Jupiter represents wisdom and knowledge, Venus represents wealth, jewelry, luxury, and whereas Saturn represents your discipline and hard work towards achieving your goals. He is the karma karaka, so it talks about your karmic baggage that you hold from your previous life. And Rahu represents desire. Rahu represents desire, and Ketu represents spiritual knowledge. Okay, so by combining all these qualities, the astrologer will be able to provide you the prediction pertaining to the planetary alignment in your birth chart. Then you can go ahead in terms of understanding and designing that prediction in terms of your life path, and you need to work harder to achieve your goals. Wherever there is a passion, wherever there is a desire, wherever there is a strong willpower, you can able to succeed in terms of achieving your goals. It is all depends upon the individual actually. See, astrologers can able to provide you the prediction based upon the planetary alignment. How you understand that in a matured way, and then how you put that passion into an action, and how you can execute that idea into the action depends upon the individual. Okay, it depends upon the individual's maturity levels. It depends on the individual's intelligence level to understand the prediction, and then you can able to combine that as a life path, and you can go ahead to achieve your goals. All right, so that's why I always keep telling to people, have a goals at the start of your financial goals, your relationship goals, your health goals, your personal goals, your mindset goals, your business goals. You have to frame the goals. But yeah, astrologer also able to help you whether you have the natural ability, natural capability to achieve those goals. Astrologers can able to tell you in terms of understanding the planetary alignment. First and foremost thing, the placement of your sun matters a lot, because although the body, the jiva karaka is saying something, what exactly the soul is talking about, that makes a lot of sense, right? What exactly your intuition is talking about. Intuition is about all about Mercury. If at all you have strong Mercury, you will be having a very, you are naturally blessed with lot of intent, lot of intuition. If at all you have strong Saturn, you does work hard like anything. You have lot of patience. You have lot of perseverance. You have lot of persistence in terms of achieving your goals. If at all you have strong Saturn, If at all you have strong Venus, you will be born in with a silver spoon. You will be born in the rich family, and obviously you'll be having a lot of luxuries, wealth, and everything. If at all you have strong Jupiter, you have very good grasping power. Okay, so that's all about the planets will be able to give you some kind of guidelines in terms of achieving your life path. It depends on the maturity level of an individual, how he can able to achieve those goals with the proper plans, and how he can able to implement that idea into the execution. It depends upon the individual. All right, so I keep getting a lot of clients in terms of asking this question, and this is my answer in this video. All right, so please book for an astrology consultation. Once you book for an astrology consultation, I'll be able to help you with a complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. All the 9 planets analysis will be provided to you. With that, you can able to prepare your life path and you can start achieving your goals. All right, so stay tuned for other videos, and the people who are watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so that you'll be notified on the future videos, and click on that like symbol and mention in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video, what exactly you loved from this video, so that I know that you are following my videos. So my objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology. There are around 450 videos which I made in my YouTube channel. Please do watch all those videos and learn Vedic astrology. Alright, so stay tuned and I'll meet you in another video, and I'll see you in the consultation. Alright, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for the astrology consultation. Bye for now.